Okay, hello ladies and gents. It's my first Jeep video, or first mod video for the Jeep. I bought these undercarriage lights, or you can use them in the wheel well, but I don't think I'm going to put them there. Truck not pretty enough to put them there. But this is my 2011 Jeep JK Unlimited. You can see all the mods I've done to it. Still at it. Haven't did any videos on the before and after, but I do have a couple pictures that I'll post with this video. It's coming along. I like it so far. But let's get to it. I want to put these lights on. I want to put them on the running board or under the running board. I think that'll be okay. So let's get to it. Alright, like I said, I'm gonna get these installed. Got them off Amazon. I forgot the price because I bought these like a month ago. Just getting around to trying to do something with them. So, let's see where I'm gonna mount this at. Probably on. There's some up in here. One right here. Probably one right here. Let's see. Maybe run the wire to the other side. Gotta figure that out. How I'm gonna run the wire. But I know where I'm gonna mount them at, so let's get started. Alright, these are what it looked like. Or what they look like. Not bad. Pretty good construction. Alright. I think I'm mount them somewhere like this. One right here. One right there. Even better, I think, on each door, front door, back door, I'll mount one up under that door. Yeah, that'll be okay. So, with that being said, let me get started and I'll get back with y'all. Alright people, I have drilled my holes so far. As you can tell, one right there, and another one right there. And these go up, hold on. Alright, these go up there like that. Put your screws in, then put the light in, but still have to run the wire. And when I drilled them, I used this new set I got. This is nice. My first time, my first set. What do they call them? Self-tapping drill bits. So, oh man, these things are awesome. Titanium, also off of Amazon. Check them out. Yeah, I like these. And then these are screws that came with the lights. And after tapping them, drilling them and tapping them at the same time, these things go right in, no problem. Yeah. So let's get these lights put up. First. Okay, since I drilled the holes, I need to go get some paint. Can of paint, and just paint so you won't have any rust that forms. So let me go grab a can of black paint. Alright, like I said, let's hit it with some paint so the hose won't rust over time. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all you need. That's all you need. So I did both of them like that. Now, while I let that dry, let's go on the other side and do the same thing. Well, got everything installed. Not dark yet, but I guess you can see it. It came out okay. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. I think it looked pretty good. Well, I'll be sure to make another mod video from now on. Thanks, guys.